Hey guys, so in this 2026, we are going to slay. We are going to look good. We are not going to look like our problems. We are not going to look like our situations. We are going to look good. And let me tell you all, you don't have to break the bank to look good. I be hearing people saying, oh, looking good is expensive, blah, blah, blah. No, you don't have to break the bank to look good. You can actually look good on a budget and even look better than those who are wearing very expensive pieces. And let me tell you, I am here to put you on. I don't gatekeep over here. So I'm gonna put you on. Yes. So I got some amazing shoes. I'm gonna be doing a shoe haul and an unboxing haul. I'm just gonna do 3 because I got a lot of them. So I'm just gonna do them in parts. So it's not a lot and the video is not too long. I got some shoes over here. Oops. Look at that. Oh, child. These shoes are good. Comfortable because I love my comfort. I like to wear the heels, but I like to be comfortable while wearing them. If you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. And let me tell you, no matter the size you are, you can wear the shoes. You can literally rock them. So, I have 3 of them here. I'm gonna be unboxing them. And let me tell y'all, these shoes are under, let me see, $20 max, which is so good. And if you're so lucky to get a discount, then $15 is what you're gonna pay. Yeah, so I'm gonna unbox them. And so these shoes, I got them from Temu, by the way. And let me tell you, you shouldn't look down on Temu, AliExpress. Some of you be looking down on them like, no, you can actually get amazing pieces from them. All you need to do is take your time, read reviews. I'm gonna do a whole video on how to purchase nice, like durable pieces on Temu, AliExpress and all. But all these shoes, these 3 shoes I got from Temu. This is the first one. I love her. Here you go. Okay. She's beautiful. She's adorable. She's amazing. She's comfortable. Boom, 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 boom. Beautiful. Beautiful, comfortable. Look at the heels. Beautiful, comfortable. I bet you it's comfortable. I promise you it's super comfortable. Yes, I literally wore this shoe for 3 or 4 hours and I didn't feel it. My legs didn't ache. Beautiful shoe. Yeah, if you want to purchase her, let me know. I'll put the link in the description box. First shoe. Onto the second shoe. This is one of my favorite shoes. First of all, I love the color, I love the design, I love how sturdy it is, and I love how comfortable it is. Look at it. Beautiful shoe. Look at it. Beautiful, comfortable. Let me show the heels. Look at what the heels look like. Very comfortable, very pretty. Just super gorgeous. Wear it and your confidence up there. Up there. Don't get cute. I'm putting you on. Purchase. And this is the final heel. This is another favorite of mine. Look at this gorgeousness. Who will know? Look at it. They will know. They'll think you literally bought these shoes for $1,000+. I'm not playing. Look at the shoes. Get into these feet. Ciao. Look at the heels. Beautiful shoes. These shoes, beautiful. I'm gonna put them in the description box, put the links in the description box if you want it. And for those of you who struggle with purchasing from Temu, AliExpress, Shein, and all you've done is to buy like very, very bad pieces, let me know. I'm gonna do a video to show you how to purchase the best piece on these sites. Yes, you can purchase the best piece at the most affordable rate, and you're not gonna regret it. Just let me know. I'm gonna do a separate video on that. But these are the 3 shoes I got from Temu, and I've been rocking them, and I'm gonna still be rocking them. Yeah. So whether you buy a shoe of $1,000 or a shoe of $30, all of them are gonna be ruined someday. They're gonna be damaged someday. They're gonna be bad someday. So, well, I'm not saying if you have the money, you shouldn't buy it. If you have the money, by all means. If you have the means, by all means, get it. Get the $1,000 shoes. Get whatever. But if you don't have it, and you still want to slay, sis, you know what to do. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share. You know what we do here: beauty, fashion, everything, skincare, lifestyle. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace out.